Digestion in the stomach and intestines. Introduction. Digestion is a vital process through which the body breaks down food into nutrients it can absorb and utilize for energy, growth, and cellular repair. The stomach and intestines play key roles in this complex biological process, working in harmony to ensure efficient nutrient absorption and waste elimination. This article explores the mechanisms and functions of digestion in the stomach and intestines. 1. Digestion in the stomach. The stomach is a muscular, hollow organ that serves as a critical site for the initial breakdown of food. It performs both mechanical and chemical digestion. Mechanical digestion. The stomach's strong muscular walls churn and mix the food with digestive juices, transforming it into a semi-liquid substance called chyme. This process ensures food particles are small enough to interact effectively with digestive enzymes. Chemical digestion. The stomach lining secretes gastric juice, which contains hydrochloric acid, HCl, creates an acidic environment, pH 1.5 to 3.5, that denatures proteins and kills bacteria. Pepsin, an enzyme that begins breaking down proteins into smaller peptides. Mucus, protects the stomach lining from being digested by its own acidic contents. The stomach's role is pivotal, but only limited absorption occurs here, such as small amounts of alcohol and certain medications. 2. Transition to the small intestine. When chyme is adequately processed, it passes into the small intestine through the pyloric sphincter. The small intestine is the primary site for digestion and absorption of nutrients. 3. Digestion in the small intestine. The small intestine, which is about 20 feet long, is divided into 3 parts: the duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. Each section plays a specific role in digestion. Duodenum. In the duodenum, chyme mixes with digestive juices from the pancreas, produces enzymes like amylase, for carbohydrates, lipase, for fats, and proteases, for proteins. The liver and gallbladder. Bile is secreted to emulsify fats, making them easier to break down. The intestinal wall secretes enzymes that further break down carbohydrates, proteins, and nucleic acids. Jejunum and ileum. The majority of nutrient absorption occurs in these segments. The inner walls are lined with villi and microvilli, which increase the surface area for absorption. Nutrients such as amino acids, simple sugars, fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals enter the bloodstream or lymphatic system through specialized cells. 4. Digestion in the large intestine. After nutrient absorption in the small intestine, the remaining undigested material passes into the large intestine. Water absorption. The large intestine reabsorbs water and electrolytes, forming solid feces. Gut microbiota. A diverse population of bacteria in the colon helps ferment undigested carbohydrates and synthesize certain vitamins like vitamin K and some B vitamins. Waste elimination. The rectum stores feces until it is expelled through the anus. Conclusion. The digestion process in the stomach and intestines is an intricate and highly coordinated system. While the stomach initiates the breakdown of food, the intestines are where most of the absorption takes place, ensuring the body gets the nutrients it needs. Understanding these processes highlights the importance of maintaining a healthy digestive system through a balanced diet, hydration, and regular physical activity. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and leave a comment below.